Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hope you are having a great day today. I'm actually really excited for today's video. The first one is today's video is in partnership with Universal, and then the second part is I get to work in my assistant's home. So if you've ever scheduled a consultation with me, before you speak to me, you speak to Kevin. He is absolutely amazing. If I'm going out of town or whatever, he tries to make a point of contact to kind of let you guys know like what's going on, especially now, and things have changed so much with COVID. One of the things that you guys have in common with Kevin is, just like so many of you that are my current clients, Kevin wants his home to pretty much be an expression of him, and he wants it to look really good. So when the opportunity presented itself for me to work with Universal, I was just like, oh, I know the perfect candidate. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I styled the two pieces that I selected from Universal in Kevin's home. Upon coming into Kevin's home, as you guys can see, we have been pretty much picking up things over the last couple of months. Rug, end tables. The only thing that's missing currently is really like a throw, the TV, and some pillows to bring everything together. So I went on ahead and I swept the floors. That way I knew that everything was going to be clean.
Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spread in my mind, but I was all out of hope.
Now that the floors are nice and clean and swept, I'm gonna go ahead and start laying out the rug. I highly recommend that when you're laying down your rug to also get a rug mat to go under the rug. It really helps with the longevity, the care, and also making that rug feel extremely comfortable under your feet. So I'm laying down the rug mat first. Once I get that laid down, I'm then gonna go ahead and lay the rug.
This makes the emptiness had afforded, just like a void, but you broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame. Ooh, I was done feeling hopeless, screamed out loud because it felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn.
it is, you guys. This is the Marcel cocktail table from Universal. I love the table. I love the legs on it. I love the smoke dark glass on top of the table. So if you put a drink down, if you put your hands on it, it's really not going to show all the fingerprints like a clear tempered glass will show the fingerprints. So I absolutely love this table. When I sent it to Kevin, he was like, yes, honey. So I'm really happy to see how it paired so nicely with the sectional. It looks so good. So right now what you see me doing is pushing the dresser and getting it in place. I really love this too. It has a veneer finish and the top is marble. You guys, this thing is everything. Not only is it everything, but it's really heavy. The doors and the drawers is a soft close. So if you had little ones, you really don't have to worry about them slamming their fingers in the drawers. It's really safe. I love it. The color overall just softened up the space, which is what Kevin was looking for. So you guys, Kevin actually went to the store to get some food. He has not seen his place. I've pretty much been working since he left. So I'm going to try to get his reaction. I'm not going to get him on camera because he does not like to be on camera, but he's coming up. You guys can hear him.
Shut up. I have a real living room. Wow. Oh my God.
How do you like it?
That's crazy.
How do you like it? And the chairs ended up working up really nice too. Just got to get some pillows.
Oh God, that's crazy. Oh God.
Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spread in my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless maze. The emptiness had unfolded just like a void, but you broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame. And ooh, I was done feeling hopeless, screamed out loud.
I want you to slam it. Yes, slam the bottom. Perfect, thank you.
But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of the storm. I found home in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold.
Saying that I love what I do would be an understatement. Like, this is what I live, breathe, speak. If you know me, like, everything is just like, oh my gosh, it's a thing. I really enjoy what I do, and being able to work in spaces like Kevin's, my mom's, even my personal home, and then you guys really brings me a lot of joy. Having someone say like, I love coming home, really means the world to me. You know, at the end of the day, when I'm done with my clients and they say to me like, I love my home, like I love coming home, like this is a place where I want to be, it feels so relaxing, it feels so calming, like it means the most to me. It means the most to me. And when Kevin came and he's like, first of all, I can't even read what he sent me, but he sent me this long letter, honey. He is a writer, okay? He sent me this long letter and I read it and I was just like, oh my gosh. I was like, you're gonna make me cry. Later on I did cry because I think I downplay what I do so much, because for me it's just the love and the joy of being able to do what I love. You know, like I'm happy with that. But when you have amazing people around you that say really nice things, it just makes what you're doing worth that much more. So I'd like to give a huge thank you to Universal for collaborating with me on this video, and of course a huge thank you to Kevin just for being an amazing assistant. And I think that's about it, you guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed the video. I already know that you guys are gonna ask. We're not gonna address it in this video. If you're interested, you can go to my Instagram, I will be talking about this fireplace later on down the line, okay? I will see you guys next time. Again, thank you so very much, Universal. Hope we have another opportunity to work together again. I will see you guys next time. Bye.